BJP's scathing attack at the Congress over its vote chori rally. The BJP says the vote chori had taken place under Congress for 70 years and that the Congress was trying to create an illusion through its rally. Now, this is the BJP's attack at the Congress over the vote chori rally that the Congress is taking out in the national capital today.
आपको अगर लगता है कि बिहार के चुनाव में किसी सीट पर गड़बड़ी हुई है तो अभी भी 45 दिन में 10 दिन शेष होंगे जब आप जाके कंप्लेंट कर सकते हैं। कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं, एक भी कोर्ट में केस नहीं, इलेक्शन कमीशन में एक भी किसी बूथ के ऊपर कंप्लेंट नहीं, मगर आप रैली कर रहे हैं। यही दिखाता है कि हाथ में वास्तविकता नहीं है, मगर एक भ्रम की स्थिति उत्पन्न करने की चेष्टा आप लोग कर रहे हैं। लाख कोशिश कांग्रेस पार्टी भटकाने की कर ले और हमारी संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को अपमानित और बदनाम करने के लिए कर ले, मगर विदेश भी जानता है, पूरा विश्व जानता है कि भारतवर्ष का लोकतंत्र एक बहुत सघन लोकतंत्र है और इसे हिलाया नहीं जा सकता है।
Now remember, the Congress is carrying out its rally against vote chori as it claims, and this is taking place in the national capital. Now the BJP has come out and slammed the Congress for the rally, saying that vote chori in fact took place under the Congress for 70 years. BJP also alleging that the Congress is trying to create an illusion through its rallies. Remember, this vote chori rally of the Congress also comes at a time when the party has been facing severe criticism for its loss in Bihar and as well as its leadership of the India bloc. And there's been a lot of leaders from the Congress as well who have come out and questioned that why the Congress is only questioning its losses from the elections and not the wins that it had gotten due to the same EVMs that it questions. Now the BJP again coming out and slamming the Congress over this rally that is taking place in Delhi today.